your body is weak and your heart has no song, when the job disappears and the tears fall down, God still sees your pain. You are not alone now. Hold on, don't lose hope. God is watching over you, even in the darkest night. He will bring you through. Hold on, keep your faith. Morning comes after rain. God will answer every cry. Joy will come again. When you miss someone who has gone away, and the silence in your home makes it hard to pray, when your strength is gone and you feel so small, God is standing near. He will never let you fall. Everything will be okay. God is making a way. Every storm will surely pass. Trouble cannot stay. Everything will be okay. Keep believing and pray. God is working quietly. Night will turn to day. The same God of Job, the same God of David, the same God who healed the sick is still alive today. He knows your every battle. He knows your every tear. Wait upon the Lord. Your blessing time is near. Never lose hope. God has not forgotten you. Every prayer you whisper, He is listening to. Never lose hope. Keep holding His hand. The God who calmed the raging sea will help you stand. Hold on, hold on. God is watching. Everything will be okay.